Okay, you are able to hear me, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, put yourself on mute, please. Everyone. Okay, guys, taking a quick review. Our topic is why we should do business when a job gives us monthly income, which is voted by you guys. I'm going to speak on it. I have given you a quick recap. I'm just giving you a quick recap because we lost it in the last time. Admit. Admit. Okay. Everyone is here, right? Okay. Whoso want to join can join in. Cool. Okay. So let's start. What happens is job, as I was saying in the last time, job is a different. Yes, Shubham.
Hello.
Yeah. Okay, he's on mute. Cool. Okay, guys. Let me quickly start because if we lose the grip, then it's of no use. Okay, so let's understand what I said in the last couple of minutes. Job is something which you are prepared for throughout your life. Business is something which is something which is not completely new but new for some of you or maybe most of you depending on the background. What happens with business is you need to have a certain sense of understanding what is the demand, what is the supply, how many people can come in, and if it is an innovative product, let's say, which is not a repetitive product, you need to understand more things. For example, you need to understand, uh, let's say, if you're creating a software, you need to understand what kind of people would be using it as a first user. These first users will get you multiple other users, so you need to understand who will be using my app, why would he using my app, is app the right platform, can I move ahead with a website, shall I not even go for a digital platform, shall I go for a complete offline model. These are the questions which you gain, which you understand with some experience. Right now, the best part would be starting a pilot and then going ahead with it, or having an expert on the team who has done business and he could be your mentor and he could be telling you a lot of things. Because see, you can figure out mathematics by yourself if you're Einstein, but if you're not Einstein, if you want you want to learn the basics of it, and maybe you can go ahead from there. You can have a mentor and save a lot of time, because understand, time is money. The more the time, the more the money you can make. So, getting back to the topic, why we should. Okay, admit, admit करो भाई इसको. What? It's not getting admitted. Okay, it's admitted. Okay. So why to start a business when job gives us monthly income? Because you can give monthly income to people. Then the business, like any other education in throughout your life, is basically a learning process. When you go on the when you go on uh, the cliff of it, you will make a lot of money. You will start from a point and you will grow. So like a graph which grows. Okay, the x axis, let's say it is time, the y axis, let's say it's money, and you create a graph like this. Let's No graph is like the straight line, but let's say you create a graph like this. For this graph which is going ahead, you need to start at one point which is 0, 0 on the axis. And the first day of your entrepreneurship journey would be 0, 0 if you don't have a mentor. If you have a mentor, maybe then you can start from here and go up somewhere, but it ultimately it is your will and desire which will make the entrepreneur survive. Now, in an examination, what happens? You are prepared for some questions and you're not prepared for some questions. But because you understand that a whole lot of community is doing it, you also do it, correct? And if you go in Harvard and if you see in this movie called Facebook, the dean says to the students who go there, and they're having a conversation. He says, in this university, people want to create more jobs. than getting into one. So it is a why you should do business is because if you can, you should always do business. That is making you a lot of money, you getting you things which you always want, and rather than having a photograph of it, you know, watching videos of it, you can actually have an opportunity to go ahead and buy it. So, you know, rather than watching the Supergirl Blondie video, Supergirl Blonde's video, you can actually buy that car, and maybe she's coming over and driving your car. And that will only happen when you will take the first leap of faith. See, understand, the job market is not the same. It used to be like that, you know, and the पास हो गए, जॉब लग गया, लाख 2 लाख कमा लिए, अब तो बढ़ गए. अब it's not the same. Even the people who had the job earlier are getting laid off because jobs are directly linked to the businessman who's doing the business. If there is a demand, businessman will get business. If businessman will get business, he will ask for suppliers. In IT industry, the supplier is developers, and the developers is human resource. For every company which is going to create something which is out of this brain power, they will require human resource for their own supply. So these people would hire you and pay money until there is a demand. So understand this. Why to start a business when you can do your job for monthly income is because ultimately it is all about demand and supply. There is a demand, there is a supply, and a supplier which is hiring you and paying you something to do something big. Now, everybody is not built for business, and I understand all of you have joined here, so maybe you think you are built for business. Everybody is not built for business. I'll tell you why everybody is not built for business. Like everybody cannot play cricket good, like everybody cannot be Usain Bolt. It is called as the swimmer's body illusion. Like Michael Phelps having that body, which is genetical body, which can give you long strokes, and your hand can go straight, not touching anything else in between, so that you can swim fast. It is called as a swimmer's body, and people think that if I will swim, and if I have a different kind of body, and if I'll swim, I will have a body which is like Michael Phelps, and that is wrong. That is proven wrong because it is genetic body. You will never be able to get it. Similarly, entrepreneurship is a mindset of finding an opportunity and sticking to it. Some mindset of a businessman is to build. So they build and they build. So like if you'll put them in real estate business, they will build. If you'll put them in telecom business, they will build. How they are able to build? Because they understand the nitty-gritties of it, how to build a business from down to up. So what is a business? When I say what is a business, business is basically understand the demand and being able to deal with all the suppliers and deliver something which the demand wants. So you understand what the demand wants, you understand who will be able to get it for you, and you ultimately deliver. That is the business. Now, why to do business and why not to do job? First thing you need to understand, your community decides whether you will be a business person or a job person in the initial days. Because if you'll go to someone who is from Harvard or maybe any other Ivy League, they will say, boss, I want to work. I want to start a business where people should work with me. Do you want to be my partner? When we get down, people want more security. यार पैसा ले रखा है, EMI नहीं जाएगा, कैसा क्या? ठीक है, you should go for job and maybe then you can take business. But if you think, and this is my ultimate challenge, if you think you are built for business, you should always do business, because you will be a bad employee, a worst employee. You would not listen to your boss. Why? Because you will think that there is a smarter way of doing it. And soon you will start your business, you will understand that how big of a pain in the ass you were for your boss, because now you are giving orders and your employees are also not listening, right? And in today's generation, nobody wants to listen. So that is where your skill comes in. The demand is there, the supplier, the employees, you need to manage them, you need to get the best out of them. Yes, they have attitude, yes, they have egos. You also have ego, but you put it down. You say, okay, boss, I don't have any ego. This person comes shouting, you said, okay, no issues. हाँ क्या है, कल तुम 4 दिन नहीं आए थे, आज छुट्टी है. You understand the replacement will not come easily. So you will say, okay boss, कोई नहीं, ये जाके 4 लोगों में बोलेगा, यार मैं कितना मेरे बॉस का पागल काटा हूँ ये वो. Now you will understand he is lying, but you can't fire him until you get a replacement. That is smart, and that is what entrepreneurs are built of. Smart, patience, perseverance, persistence. You know, these qualities define an entrepreneur. What is the good quality of an employee? Attendance, efficiency, occupancy, and things like that. You understand, right? Uh, I think you should all do business. We are built for business. The only way the world is surviving till now is because of business. If there is no demand, there will be no business, and if there is no demand, there will be no life. So if people are living and they are breathing, until they are living and they are breathing, there is a demand. Are you able to solve a problem which nobody else is able to do right now? Are you able to do something which nobody else can do? Do you have a core competency in something where maybe a few people can give you a fight, but they are not able to sail the tempest with you? So understand, you can build the best boat, you know, a lot of certificates like this on your board. But if you are not able to go in, if you don't have guts to go into the sea, your ship, no matter how good it is, will be worthless because it is not able to sail through the tempest, tufan. It won't be able to it won't be able to prove itself that it can complete a journey from point A to point B. So your ship, let's say your entrepreneurship journey's ship, should be built from scratch. You have to mine, you have to get it all, or you can find a mentor who can build a ship for you and sail it with you until you are ready to, you know, just sail it as a captain for a complete whole new journey. Business will give you monthly income. You will never get monthly income with you actually get monthly income for some AMCs, but don't understand this as a monthly income. The monthly income, let's say, is 30,000 rupees. Okay, now you are getting it for 12 months, so it is 12 3,60,000. That is your annual package. Now in business, I have seen the normal contracts in B2B are like 10 lakhs and 12 lakhs, like normal. Yeah. Okay. Now, if you're able to make 12 lakhs and if you're able to pay 3 lakhs 60,000 to two people, you are still out with 4 lakhs, right? And then you're paying capex and all, and you're saying, यार क्या हो गया मेरे साथ अभी तो मेरे पास पैसे नहीं बचे. This is start. This is start. Now there's this 10 lakh and the experience you will get, and slowly you will evolve. You will understand human psychology. Once you will understand human psychology, you will understand that not everything is by the book. Not everything is by the book. If everything would have been by the book, you would have fallen in love with someone by the book. By the book, like x plus y is equal to something, you know, x plus y is equal to my love relationship. It never happens. There is no formula. It is all human psychology. That's when guys normally read the psychology of girls easily. They try to maybe, and same goes with girls, and they understand that okay, I have to do nothing. I have to just be quiet, and things will come to me. So what I'm trying to tell you over here is, while you go into an interview, what kind of impact you create. That part, the preparation and creating the impact and things like that. If you can replicate it over here, and you understand that human, how an human handshake happens, how people trust you, how and what you need to do for people so that they will to trust you, how you can make that person get. So like trust is always, you know, evaluated, so you need to always make sure that the person who is trusting you is able to trust you and is able to bet on you. So now you have to make profit for him. Okay, mute yourself, mute yourself, mute yourself, mute. I will answer this. I'll answer this. Mute yourself, Ramesh. I'm muting you. Okay. But if we consider, okay, I'll take this question. Okay. So why you should do business is because like you have to do your first standard, second standard, third standard, and when you do your MBA, you get a job. After even doing first standard, you would be able to get a job which is of 300 rupees daily का. 10th standard के बाद भी कुछ मिलता था, 12th के बाद भी कुछ मिलता था, 30,000 तक जाने के लिए टाइम लगा. And maybe if you would have done an MBA from an Ivy League, you would have got which is not a scenario right now after COVID, but you would have got before COVID 1 to 2 lakhs ka package a month. Okay. So like you evolve in a journey, you have to give at least, they say 3 to 5 years to just to get into that phase. But once you get into that phase, your generations will be dependent on it if you're able to do it right. The kind of money you make after cracking a demand is huge, huge. And people who have courage, the balls, and the belief to do it are able to change the world. So why you should do business when you can get monthly income? Simple. If there is no demand, there is no business, and if there is no business, there is no monthly income. You will be laid off. And if you think you have it in it, the spark, the ignition, you should always go for what you are built of. And once you do what is your best, nobody else will be able to compete with you. Create some jobs, maybe. Now going for questions. But if we consider present scenario in bracket crisis, which we are going through, okay, I hope you're not mentioning the call which we are having right now. What are your views on it? If we think of our starting our business with scratch, okay, good question. Because the business which are already set up are going through worse situation, of course they will go through worse situation. See, understand, demand is flexible. Demand is not like a, so there are commodities. Okay, commodities is like एसिलॉक खाना है तो खाना ही है. Okay, until I breathe, until my body has blood, and eno खाना है तो खाना ही है. Maybe an alternative. Aspirin लेना है तो लेना ही है. ग्लूकॉन डी पीना है तो पीना ही है. पार्ले जी का बिस्किट खाना है तो खाना है. ब्रेड तो ब्रेड ही है. मिल्क तो मिली है. ये तो लेना ही है, राइट? ये कमोडिटी है. ये फ्लेक्सिबल, तो ये अभी जो इसकी डिमांड रहती है ना, फ्लेक्सिबल नहीं रहती, इनफ्लेक्सिबल रहती है. तो विद टाइम ये ऐसी रहेगी, भाई मैं लूंगा ही ब्रेड, तो लूंगा ही ब्रेड है तो मैं लूंगा ही. मे बी कमोडिटी का प्राइस इन्फ्लेट हो जाएगा, लेट्स से 10 रुपीज, 20 रुपीज, 30 रुपीज हो जाएगा, बट कमोडिटी बिकेगा ऐसी. जो आदमी एक ब्रेड खा रहा है वो चलो पैनिक बाइंग में 10 ब्रेड ले लेगा, लेकिन खाएगा एक ही. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. Now, when you are saying ki why should we start a new business, I'm shortening the question. Why we should start the new business when already set up business are going through worse situation? So you need to understand what businesses are going through worse situation. The businesses where people need to go and manufacture something. Now, because this is a disease where you touch it, and an average person touches his face for like 1,000 times a day. It's a fact. It's a fact. um, I've seen it in a movie. I'm not sure whether it's a fact or not. Okay, sorry. But let's say multiple times a day. Okay, multiple times. If it is not covered, you might end up getting it. And if you would have touched something, so businesses would surely suffer in such scenario. But this is an epidemic. You can't ever forecast an epidemic for a manufacturing business such as car, real estate, and things like that. Okay, even the shipping business, where never used to get closed down, is now shut down. Now people are working from home, getting the approvals and things like that. Now the businesses are also booming. You need to understand this. In the epidemic scenario, there are businesses which are booming. The richest person on the planet is still Jeff Bezos. Online deliveries, in Wuhan only, Alibaba delivered a lot of packages in the lockdown period. WeChat, which is a delivery app for and everything, it's an ecosystem in China. They are doing great. Amazon is doing it. Local businesses are doing great. Supply chain is doing it. Food deliveries are doing great. So you need to understand what are not doing great, and this is an opportunity. See, chaos isn't a pit; it is a ladder. So if you can, go up in a chaotic situation, that is great. There is a huge demand for medical supplies, medicines, and other businesses are booming. I am seeing multiple apps coming in from vegetable vendors. The vegetable gadis are coming in and they're selling in our society and things like that. There are multiple businesses which are created out of this. So banking business, of course. Now what happens is, see, a bank is basically the backbone of the economy, because it controls money, how much money is there in the system, how much is not is controlled by RBI, how much money is actually, how much demand the economy can produce without hurting a lot of money which is already there. So let's say if we have 10 rupees today and that the value of 10 rupees is 1 rupee tomorrow, nobody will be trusting the money only. ये 10 रुपए का वैल्यू 1 रुपए हो गया यार, क्या इन्फ्लेशन है, राइट? सो मनी हैज टू गो इन अ नॉर्मल सेंस कि भाई इसका वैल्यू भी बना रहे और लोग इसको समथिंग व्हिच दे वांट टू ट्रस्ट करके यूज करें. खैर, this has a big history also, why people are using a bank note and why the currency is the famous type of money. But let's say बैंकिंग के अंदर अभी डिमांड कम हो जाएगा, बिकॉज रियल एस्टेट के हर एक पार्ट जो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग से जाता था वो डिपेंड करता है if the economy is booming. The economy is booming is people are confident that everything is right and let's buy a house, let's do some big investment and things like that. A big chunk of tax is also paid to government in this scenario, like 20 lakhs 30 lakhs out of a house. Okay, now people are like, yeah, jo paisa hai main bacha lu pehle. The situation is like epidemic, I don't know when I need to use it. There would be a medical expense, I have a dadi, I have a nani, I have a kid, I have my mother who's aged. So people are saving in this scenario. People, and yes, there are manufacturing companies which are going to default on their payments, and then banks will be like कि यार मैं तो पहले ही घाटे में था, अभी और घाटा हो गया. I am not able to, I am not able to get more money out of people where I have lent, but however I have to pay interest to money who to people who have actually opened an account over here. Now banks won't lend more money because they are also on the scarcity part कि यार नहीं यार अपने को पैसा नहीं देना है. But bank won't lend more money. SMEs will suffer because SMEs, okay, now the mid cap SMEs 300 to 500 and 1000 CR wale SMEs will suffer. Why they will suffer? Because they have to expand, they have their debt needs, they have to set up a plant, maybe there is an order and things like that. Now the orders are also getting cancelled. So the SMEs won't be able to do such, but however, this is giving us a new opportunity to understand the new behavior of people and how that money can be utilized, how they want to use their money. So like things like Zoom call is on ahead. People want to interact on a call when their own in their own space. So maybe an university can be made out of it, where people like me and you are talking and people are coming to listen over there, and people are donating, maybe buying an add-on package where I'm giving an extra add-on package, and people are earning from there. So ये सब चीजें हो सकती है. So there is no time which is bad for business, every time is good for business. Are you able to understand that demand? For 3000 CR INR is given to ICMR for medical equipment. Just now ICMR did not have this kind of budget. Now medical supplies are a boom. So I understand this. The demand is just transferred. Demand is already there, and it will be always there. Demand will be there, and if you are living, there's a demand. So this is it. Don't compare yourself with the already going worst hit situation. If there is a manufacturing plant, you need to understand they always have the cost in their mind. कि यार कल जाके कुछ हो गया, so there is a risk. So the risk cost is also involved in the current sales. So that's why they are able to survive in situations like this. And they have seen many situations like this, including the Great Depression and including the 2008 housing loan crisis of USA. Okay, the bell-shaped curve. Okay, cool. Any more question, please? So why should you should start business? This is the great time to start business. If everybody is thinking कि यार मेरे पास कोई skill है जिसमें मैं demand जैसे जा रहा था पहले, because now people are on a halt, okay, on a halt. They will slowly come out. Now they will look out for newer things. If you can grab them, then you will start a business which will, if it is solving a true problem, it will have a longer life. Think of something. Think of something which is online and offline and solving a problem. Online means the model is online where users are able to book something online or maybe take something online, and offline is connecting the offline manufacturers or service provider to that online service. If you can create a business around this, this is the great time to do so. If you can create something which is around healthcare, which is around personal care, any care, great time to do it. More questions, please. If so, I'll be more than happy to address them. Questions, anyone? Do you have any question? No questions? Hello? Okay, who's the host? Capital कहाँ से लाए? Who else has this question? Please raise your hand. Give me a thumbs up at least. Khushbu, where are you, Khushbu? Mansi has this question. Khushbu, okay, me, okay, me, me, capital कहाँ से लाए? Okay, also me, Kiran Mangal. Okay, Acha, Kiran has already discussed an idea with me. He has some capital. I am also investing in his idea. He's doing a bit because he's sharing 60-40% of the business rather than taking a percentage of it and working for me as a, you know, ESOP employee. He thought he wanted to do a partnership. So I am taking care, like, almost which work should have been done for like 30 lakhs, 40 lakh. We are doing it for like 1 lakh maybe. And because he wanted an equity, we are doing it. आइडिया में दम रहा तो इन्वेस्टर की कमी नहीं है दोस्त. आइडिया का दम दिखाओ. ये कोई सवाल पूछने का मतलब ही नहीं है. See, you have to understand, nothing starts from zero, okay? थोड़ा पैसा तो डालना पड़ेगा. हाँ, like people are like, अरे मेरा क्या होगा? पैसा नहीं डालना तो टाइम डालो. पैसा पूरा मैं डाल दो. उसमें क्या है? I'll give you all the money. I'll create the software for you. You have to go and convert a lot of people for me. Simple. Yeah. See, I wouldn't give you Tom, Dick, and Harry's solution. I am actually working with Kiran on this, and actually, he's 60% owner of the idea. So, anyone else wants to have the similar kind of model or something like this, please discuss personally with me. If the idea is having dumb, we can do something. If idea does not have dumb, I have to ask you to do, you know, a lot of more research into it, and maybe then we can think of the investing part. Sure. ऐसे कुछ नहीं है यार. आइडिया लेके आओ. पैसा बहुत है मार्केट में. तुम लोगों को प्रॉब्लम ये हुआ है कि आज तक सब ऐसे ऐसे दिया है. सोचो नहीं मिल रहा है अभी तो खाना कहाँ से लाओगे? मिलेगा ही ना कहीं से. भूखे हो तो. यस सर. See, I'm planning to, you know, get a bigger investor maybe after 2 years, and maybe I'm out. If the business is good, I'll be there for a longer time. कैपिटल कहाँ से लाए? कैपिटल बहुत जगह से आ सकता है, बट कैपिटल का बात मत करो पहले. डोंट टॉक अबाउट मनी, फर्स्ट टॉक अबाउट बिजनेस. पैसा कहाँ से आएगा? पैसा कहाँ से आएगा? पैसा कहाँ से आएगा? पहले तो यू शुड थिंक कि यार एक लोकल प्रॉब्लम ऐसी कौन सी है जो मैं सॉल्व कर सकता हूँ और कोई नहीं कर सकता, और जिसको मैं इंटरनेट से कनेक्ट कर सकता हूँ. सोचो, दिमाग लगाओ. अगर लगा लिए ना, बस समझ लो चांदी है. Okay, Khushbu is giving a smiley. Okay, like this. Okay, yes, sir. Yes. More questions, please. Do you have any more questions? Why you should do business? Because business. और क्या करोगे यार लाइफ में? तुम लोग यहाँ पे कॉल में बैठे हो कम से कम 1 घंटे से, तो तुम्हें करना ही है बिजनेस, पता है तो फिर किसी और के लिए क्यों करोगे इतना टैलेंट लेके, इतना गट्स लेके? मोर क्वेश्चंस प्लीज. तो लेट्स कॉल इट डे. कोई बात नहीं, अगला कॉल जब हम लेंगे तब हम आइडियाज भी डिस्कस करेंगे 1-to-1, or like on a benchmark. Let's take feedback for everyone's idea. Let's open ideas like what can happen, what not happen, and brainstorm your ideas if you want to come up with an idea. Okay, the meeting now has unlimited minutes. Yay, cool. Okay guys, can you come on video and audio back again please? Cool. Hey Shubham.
Yes sir.
क्या कैसे चल रहा है नेतागिरी?
हाँ,
नेतागिरी कैसे चल रहा है?
बढ़िया सर.
हाँ,
बढ़िया सर।
कितने लोगों को किट पहुंचा दिया नया नया?
बहुत लोगों को सर अभी
ये
फार्मास्यूटिकल कंपनी कर रहे हैं।
क्या बात कर रहे हैं? फार्मास्यूटिकल्स. Look at this. I'll show you
यस
something. The reason I was late today. Give me one moment, okay? यार तुम लोग बाजू में बैठ के कॉल क्यों लेते हो यार? Because of that, you know this? ये देखो.
Yeah, sir.
पता नहीं तुम लोग का बैकग्राउंड भी मेरे जैसे ही है, फुल वाइट. आई कांट अंडरस्टैंड कौन किसके बाजू में बैठा है. रोहित के तो पक्का बाजू में कोई है. रोहित घर में टोपी कौन पहनता है यार? अच्छा ये. ओके. अच्छा. ले पहन ले भाई. ओके. कूल गाइस, अच्छा लगा यार कॉल करके. We can have more of this. See क्या होता है ना, when the college is involved, a lot of nitty-gritties are involved, and I am not interested in all the. So whatever it is, if you want to connect, do connect. You know, like this. Knowledge should be always free. We should interact. The more you give, the more you get. Right? So
Yes, sir.
it's a barrier-free connection. I think I was late. मैं भी थोड़ा issues में फंस गया था. ठीक है. So you should be happy. From February, there is an Indian delegation which is representing UNCFACT, and I am the youngest part of it. I am a part of Indian delegation to United Nations CFACT committee. We will be discussing trade and information technology and things like that over there. The next person is 45, so you should be very happy.
Nice.
तो अभी अप्रैल में जाना था जनेवा, बट जनेवा में तो कोरोना को हो गया.
यस सर.
तो अभी अक्टूबर में जब जाएंगे जनेवा में, तब हम ये सब आइडियाज और डिस्कस करेंगे.
यस सर.
अगर ऐसे ही चलता रहा तो वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमिक फोरम अगले साल दूर नहीं है, तो उसका भी पार्ट बन जाएंगे. एंड माय डेलीगेशन, एंड समहाउ बिकॉज़ आई हैव स्पोकन हियर फिनटेक कॉन्फ्रेंस इंटरनेशनल का, I was recommended by Secretary of UNCFACT, Lance Thompson. ये
Nice. Congratulations.
इंडियन डेलीगेशन ने अप्रूव नहीं किया मेरा 3 महीने बाद भी, बट लैंस थॉमसन अप्रूव्ड इट टू इंडियन डेलीगेशन. Okay, guys, always think big, never think small. There is nothing impossible. Yeah. He has got a smiley here, right? Kiran has a smiley. Okay. Kiran, how you did it? Reaction.
Reactions one.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Cool. I'm clapping for myself. Somehow Harshal's hand is better than me, and he looks yellow. I
don't know.
But I look a little fair. Which filter you have, Harshal? Why you look like Haldi?
I don't know. Yeah, I'm looking yellow.
Acha, good, yeah. We should do more calls like this. If you have any business proposals, ideas, let's always discuss it. Okay? ये सिर्फ इंडिया में इशू है, बाकी वर्ल्ड में कई इशू नहीं है. अगर बिजनेस का आइडिया हो तो लोग सोचते हैं यार ये पागल है. पूरी दुनिया बोलती है क्या आदमी है. हमारे यहाँ आते हैं लोग बोलते हैं क्या पागल है. अरे क्यों पागल हो? तो बिजनेस का आइडिया नहीं आ सकता आदमी को. अच्छा, जॉब नहीं होती तो क्या करते? बिजनेस ही करते ना सब.
यस सर.
अगर जॉब नहीं होती तो बिजनेस तो करते ही ना. बट बिजनेस नहीं होता तो जॉब कैसे करते?
यस सर.
दम है तो बिजनेस खोल लो, पीछे मत हटो और ज्यादा सोचो मत. पता है, छोटा किस्सा सुनाता तुमको. लड़के की शादी होता है, बहुत सोचता है तो बीवी छोड़ के भाग जाती है. अरे इसलिए कि वो लड़का सोचती रहता है, बोलती अपना दिमाग में कुछ. The idea basically is अपॉर्चुनिटी आएगा तुम्हारे पास, तुम सोचते बैठोगे तो चला भी जाएगा ना, तुम्हारे लिए थोड़ा रुकेगा. यार हाँ नहीं यार, ये तो दूल्हा है, सोचो इसके बारे में. घंटा तुम्हारे बारे में क्यों सोचेगा? अंडरस्टूड? अभी तुम्हारे पास टाइम, यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. यू डोंट हैव एनी असाइनमेंट. मेरे को तुम्हारे साथ कॉफी पीने का, तुम्हारा कॉलेज पता नहीं कब मेरे को टाइम कॉफी पीने के लिए. तो एनीवेज, चलो मेरा कॉफी पेंडिंग है, मैं जानता हूँ. हम यहीं पियेंगे. दिस इज माय हाउस.
Okay.
When is the house party, sir?
Party.
There is a terrace over there. There's terrace over there.
Oh.
Terrace and there's a house. Anytime. Okay. Okay, Ramesh is on mute and Rohit is not on mute, and they both look like same.
They are living in same house.
तुम लोग एक को कोरोना हुआ दूसरे को पक्का होना है, देख सारे दिल भी लेके ये भी तो ऐसे ही दिख रहे हैं. Okay. Let's think over it. अगर तुम में दम है, ज्यादा पैसा कमाना है तो जॉब क्यों कर? कौन करता है?
तो शेयर मार्केट में रहे और बिजनेस.
क्या बोला?
बोले शेयर मार्केट में लगाओ और बिजनेस करो ऐसे.
शेयर मार्केट में बिजनेस होता है, तो शेयर मार्केट में बिजनेस कैसे करना है? क्लाइंट है जिसका पैसे से खेलोगे या खुद के पैसे से खेलोगे?
अगर क्लाइंट है तो उसके पैसे खेलेंगे.
क्लाइंट के पैसे से खेलेंगे.
क्लाइंट के पैसे से खेलोगे, खुद के पैसे से खेलोगे?
दोनों के पैसों से.
अरे पागल,
दोनों के पैसे से खेलेंगे. अगर उसके पैसे से ठीक से खेल ले तो हम अपनी जिंदगी से भी ठीक से खेल लेंगे.
जो दारू बेचता है दारू पीता है कभी?
पीते चुप चुप के से.
तो उनका भी डूबेगा, तेरा भी डूबेगा पैसा. There are two types of share market trading. The first is where you are the trader, and second is where you open a Bolt. You get NISM certificate number 4, certificate number 6, certificate number 10. Okay, and you are licensed to open a Bolt. The examination happens in authorized center. Go clear the exam, and then you can do trading for others. For trading for yourself, you can do it any which ways with a partner which is having the lowest margin.
Yes.
खुशबू येलो गई. ओके, अभी मैं येलो हूँ. खुशबू क्या कर रहे हो? थैंक यू ये सब करने के लिए. मैं तुम लोग के ग्रुप में ऐड हुआ और कुछ लोग भाग गए. लाइक यहाँ पर भी पढ़ाएगा यार.
उनको जॉब करना है सर, उनको जॉब करना है.
और उनको जॉब करना है, हम रखेंगे उनको काम को.
ये अच्छा है.
करो फिर. खुशबू तुम्हारा जॉब कैसे चल रहा है?
अच्छा चल रहा है सर. अभी भी चल रही है मेरी इंटर्नशिप.
किरण तुम्हारा जॉब कैसे चल रहा है?
हाँ सर, अभी चल रहा है.
अभी चल रहा है. मानसी तुम्हारा जॉब कैसे चल रहा है?
लगा ही नहीं है सर अभी.
ओके. शुभम तुम्हारा? शुभम तो नेता बनेगा. शुभम नेता बनेगा, शुभम नेतागिरी करेगा. तेजस्वी सूर्या के बाद शुभम सिंह नहीं है अपने महाराष्ट्र से. इनमें किसे भाई?
सर सैंडविच में सिलेक्शन हुआ था, बट जाने से पहले ही लॉकडाउन हो गया.
मैन्युफैक्चरिंग है सैंडविच तो.
हाँ,
मैन्युफैक्चरिंग आईटी में हुआ था उसकी यूनिट में. मार्केटिंग में हुआ था. मार्केटिंग में हुआ था. फिर
नहीं, एचआर में.
अच्छा, गुड है. एचआर का मिल जाएगा. एचआर कहाँ जाएगा? एचआर में जाके क्या कर दो तू?
मेरे को ट्रेनिंग एंड डेवलपमेंट में डाला था, मतलब अभी ये इंटर्नशिप के लिए. फॉर इंटर्नशिप.
उन लोग को बुरा नहीं लगता यार तू इंटर्नशिप के लिए जा रहा है, उनकी ट्रेनिंग डेवलपमेंट ले रहा है जो उधर के
एनालाइज करना है. मेरे को एनालाइज करने बोला था उनमें, उनके जो मतलब ट्रेनिंग के बाद जो एफिशिएंसी
कैसे लोग दुनिया चला रहे. देख लो तुम लोग क्या कितना मतलब तुम उसकी जगह होते तुमको अच्छा लगता है ये? आ गया आदमी मेरे को इंटर्नशिप में. हाँ,
एनालाइज करना था सर.
मैं तो कुछ नहीं चल रहा सर, जॉब भी नहीं है अभी. चालू होगा मई में. नहीं सर.
जल्दी क्यों किया तुमने?
पता नहीं सर क्या फेमस हो गया, कुछ
हल्दी लगाई है.
पता नहीं कौन सी
शादी करने बाद कैसे.
नहीं रोहित.
यस सर.
इतना गर्मी लगा तुमको, तुमने बाल ही कटा लिया? पहले कान में घुसा था फोन. वो क्या बोला है? पूरा कान में पहले घुसा फोन. अरे भाई कैसे चलेगा ऐसे?
फोन रेडमी है ना, तो साउंड इसका अच्छा नहीं है.
क्या
लेंगे अभी बिजनेस लेंगे आईफोन लेंगे.
तो तेरे को बोले उतना ही सुनाई दिया जितना तेरे को मेरा सुनाई दे रहा है। अरे स्वप्निल आ गया।
स्वप्निल बस में है क्या?
स्वप्निल किधर है?
वॉइस
ऑडियो की बात कर ले।
ऑफिस
हाँ ऑफिस में। अरे वाह, किधर है तेरा ऑफिस?
उसके बाद
अभी
में
सतारा में जनरेटिंग पावर स्टेशन है।
अरे वाह 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 वाह, सतारा में किधर जनरेटिंग पावर स्टेशन? क्या तुम्हारे इधर तो लॉकडाउन किया है ना?
हाँ लॉकडाउन किया है सर, लेकिन एसेंशियल सर्विसेज में आता है।
ठीक है, थोड़ा माइक्रोफोन दूर रखो, इधर आ गया कोरोना तो।
सर यार
मजाक कर रहा हूँ। चलो गाइस, गुड चैट। आई विल कंक्लूड दिस। बिजनेस क्यों करना है?
ओके
देखो, दो टाइप के लोग होते हैं, एक जो हायर करते हैं, एक जो हायर होते हैं। अगर तुमको लगते है तुम हायर कर सकते हो, ठीक है, तुमने टॉपिक
क्या कुत्ता है?
रोहित, फोन भी बजा रहा हुआ तू। अरे रोको यार, किसका कुत्ता भौंक रहा है?
शुभम रुक जा।
शुभम के यहाँ से है क्या?
शिवम
मेरे यहाँ से
नहीं, मेरा ही है सर, मेरा ही है।
तुम्हारा कुत्ता भौंक रहा है?
वेयर इज योर डॉगी?
हाँ सर।
आपका किधर है डॉगी?
बैठो।
वो एसी में बैठता है। अंदर बैठा आराम से, उधर ही सोता है वो। ठीक है गाइस, कंक्लूड करते हैं। गुड चैट।
यस सर।
और हम लोग 1000 फैमिलीज के लिए आज 1 महीने का राशन जमा कर रहे थे। हमने वो जमा किया, मार्केट यार्ड तक गए और उनके घर तक पहुंचाया करके। मेरे को थोड़ा लेट हुआ, लास्ट टाइम भी इसी वजह से लेट हुआ था, सॉरी। आज का मेरा वीडियो भी पूरा पुणे में, पुलिस का पास भी है तो घूम लिया। अच्छा लगा, एट द सेम टाइम बुरा भी लगा। ये देखो, ये देखा, ये पुलिस ने देखा और रोक लिया गाड़ी। मतलब पासवर्ड छोड़ो, पहले बताओ तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो। ये सामान, ये किट है, ये आटा, मसाला, ये हमने 1000 फैमिली में जमा किया और वहां पे पहुंचाया। और दूसरा डेमो है, ये मैं हूँ, लेट हो गया। जितना हो सके दूसरों के लिए काम करो। बिजनेस का नतीजा ये भी रहता है कि आपके पास दिमाग ज्यादा है, तो आपका दिमाग आप जितना सोसाइटी के लिए यूज करो उतना अच्छा है। तो सबके पास दिमाग ऐसा मान के चलो, ट्राई करो जितने लोगों के पास दिमाग से ट्राई करो, ठीक है। कितने लोगों का फर्स्ट होगा?
बाय बोल रहे थे। बाय बाय।
बाय बाय
बाय
बाय एवरीवन।
हो गया क्या और रोहित?
रोहित
चलो भाई मैं भी देख रहा हूँ इधर। अच्छा रोहित, मैं जाऊँ क्या? कर ले ये सब।
आप अंदर ही हो।
क्या लगा रहा है
क्या कर रहे हो भाई?